So friends, we are back again today on episode 2 of getting all our hens to hatch on the same day. Yeah. So in case you missed, last time we looked at the importance of getting all your hens to hatch on the same day. And in case you're wondering whether it is possible, it is. And that is why we are even doing this series in the first place. It is important and it is possible, and you're going to watch it unfold. I hope you will be there. In the past video, we were, collecting away the eggs which the hens were laying, and we had given them a dummy just to motivate them to lay. And now the hens are broody, okay? The hens are broody, so it is the time that we are going to give back the real fertilized eggs for the hens to sit on. So let's give back the hens the original eggs. We're going to take back the dummy eggs, which was only meant to motivate them to lay, and we are going to replace the dummy eggs with the real fresh eggs, the real fertilized eggs. Now, since we have only like 1.5 tray, around 42 eggs, we're going to give them in equal amount. They'll probably take 10 or 11 each hen. So put it back nice and slow like that, and gentle. So we should have, in fact, done this thing at night. We should have given them back their eggs at night, but because my camera is not so good, I've decided to take the risk and give them during the day. Okay, why at night? Well, at night hens appear to be more docile. Okay, yeah, but right now so far so good. You can see they have accepted the eggs. And by the way, whenever a hen is broody, like when it's super broody the way they are right now, they are so much interested in sitting on their eggs that they will not reject the eggs. So these ladies, they have accepted their eggs, and it's just a matter of time now. So meaning 3 weeks from now, they should have hatched, and we're going to have our brand new first batch of chicks. Okay, so let's finish placing the eggs under the hens. And remember, we have only 4 hens, and these are the young hens. They were barely pellets a few weeks ago. So this is going to be the first cluster of chicks. So why are we even doing this in the first place? And the reason is we want to have uniform chicks, and we want to brood them so that we keep the hens to enter their next laying phase all at once. Okay, that's the whole idea. So within only a few months, we're going to have very many productive cycles. Okay, our hens will, in fact, like when they finish hatching immediately, we're going to assign all the chicks to one caring mother who is going to help us brood the chicks for like a week, while the rest will be sitting on the dummy eggs waiting, and then we're going to release all of them within 1 week so that they start producing all of the thing. This way, we're going to ensure efficiency in our rate of production, and I hope that this really makes sense to you. Okay, sure you don't miss out. Thank you and goodbye.